Clients with narcissistic disorder will often dramatically enact some element of their internal organization and interpsychic conflict in their first and subsequent sessions. They'll enact it in some way. And that's one of the things I hope you take away from this program in these 2 days, is simply that sensitivity, that you can spot it sooner, that you can relax when it's happening, that you don't take full responsibility for it, and that in some ways you let that dramatic story unfold in your presence. Evidence of the severity of his disorder may be embedded in the client's presenting problem. The chapter that I had hoped you'd all had a chance to read, it was right there. It was there in the first phone call, which wasn't even from the client. It was from the client's attorney, who said, my client is going to be fired if he doesn't come to therapy.